Hi there! Welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the Photo Gallery section of the Tools tab. Let's begin. First, to add a new photo gallery, type in a title here. Next, you have the option of choosing a group share. You can use this option to share your gallery to other websites within your group if you have multiple websites with us. You also have the option to share your gallery to Facebook. Finally, click the green Add Gallery button. As you can see, the gallery has been added below. Listed here are all the different options for the photo galleries. Let's first begin with how to add photos to the gallery. First, click the photo count. Now, you can add photos to your gallery. You have the option of either batch uploading, which is uploading up to 20 photos at once, or you could do them one by just using this option below. I'm going to use the batch upload option, choose my files, and click upload. Our photos have now been processed, so I'm going to go back to the gallery, and now you can see each photo individually. Here you can add a caption, a link, make sure it's visible or not, or link it to Facebook or not. You can also decide whether or not you want one to be the cover photo or not. If you change any of these settings, be sure to click the Save Changes button. Now, let's go back. Let's go over all the different options that we have here. First is Settings. Here you can change the order that your photos are sorted in. You can change the gallery name. We do not recommend you changing the gallery URL because this will break any links to the current URL. Next, you can turn on and off the visibility. And finally, I can allow visitors to rate or vote images on my gallery. So for example, say I wanted my visitors to vote for which cat they thought was cutest, I could do that. So I'm going to enable this. Now that I enabled it, I have to choose my rating style. So you can do stars 1 to 5, thumbs up, thumbs down, rating 1 to 10, or single vote button. Single vote button is the most common. Now I want to click Save Changes. Now you have to decide your voting limit, the voting frequency, and the vote count visibility. And finally, click Save Changes again. Now, let's go back to go over the other options. Again, you have the option to share status to Facebook. If so, it'll be linked here. You can delete a whole gallery here. You can download every image in the gallery here. You can sort each photo in your gallery by using this option and changing the order here. And finally, you can change the order of how the galleries are all displayed here. Always remember to click the Save Changes button when you're done. Now let's see what this gallery looks like on our website. Photo galleries will automatically display neatly on your Photos page. If the photo page is a main button on your website's main menu, then a link to each photo gallery is also added as a subpage under the photo menu button. So when you hover over photos, the 3 galleries pop up, and you also have the option to click all galleries. So here you'll see the cover photo for each gallery, and you can click into each specific one. Here is where visitors can vote. So say I wanted to vote this cat as the cutest one, I'll click it and choose vote for this photo. It also says I've reached my voting limit for the day. Now say you wanted to add a photo widget on your main homepage. I will now show you how to do that. So let's go back, go to Menu and Pages, and then Side Columns. Enter the item name, and then the item type, which will be a photo widget. Then click Add. As you can see, the photo widget was added below. You can change the order here, delete it here, and then change the settings here. Right when you add a photo widget, you have to go right into the gear section, go to Photo Widget Settings, and make sure you add what gallery you want to be displayed. So I'm going to click Cats. Now the number of photos, and you can change the sorting. Then click Save Changes. Now let's go back to the demo website and refresh that page. As you can see, the photo widget was added here. When you click the photo widget, it'll take you to the gallery page. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.